Hey everybody, Brad here with GEOARM Security. Today I'm going to show you a common correction to an error that the end user will make and a quick fix on how to solve that issue. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you what the typical person ends up doing to lock themselves out of their panel. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the programming. This is how you get into programming. You hit settings, tools. Installer code is default 4112. This will get you into programming. You select programming. Alright, so now if you needed to do anything with some of the zones or switch any types of, like the date and the time or anything to do with any of the zones. Alright, so let's say you make the correction, you back out, it asks you allow installer to re-enter programming. You're supposed to click yes, but sometimes people will say no, and it asks are you sure, and they'll push yes. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and try to get back into programming, and you'll see what happens. You hit select more, tools, 4112, looks like it lets you into programming. Now it will not allow you to push programming, so you can't change the date and the time or any of the sensors. So you pretty much locked yourself out of the panel. Alright, not to worry. GEOARM will show you how to correct that issue. So you're going to make sure your backup battery is unplugged from the inside. Ours has already done that. As you can see, it says low battery. That's because the battery we took out. So now we're going to go ahead and power down the system. Just unplug it for a few seconds. Go ahead and plug it back in. And the system is going to go through its basic startup routine. We'll let that go through. You're going to wait until you see the system standby. Alright. And then we're going to press and hold the home key. So wait for it. Just takes a few seconds here. Alright, hold the home key. Now it beeps. Go ahead and hit security. ARM stay. Clear 00. That'll get you back into programming. So you can hit programming. You'll see it lets you back into where you need to be. So installer code. If you want to change it, you can. So we'll keep it at that. Done. Alright, and then clear out of programming. So at this point you want to make sure you hit yes, and then you can back out of your system, and you'll see now regularly it will let you back into programming. And that's how you basically reset the installer code or allow you back into programming if you locked yourself out.